Sorry, I accidentally cut off my camera. I'm going to be showing you all my outfit. I'm sure you guys will love. So let's see it. Okay, so first we have this 4th of July shirt with these red pants. Then we have a red, white, and blue bandana thing, which I'm actually wearing in my hair. So I'm gonna go FaceTime my friend. Oh my god, guys, it's 4th of July and it's totally pouring down, and yes, I'm still home, unfortunately. Oh my god, it's pouring down rain. Look at this. This is the worst 4th of July ever. It's raining really hard. It doesn't show up on the camera, but you can just see and hear how loud it's raining. This is horrible. Hey guys, and I am really glad that the skies cleared up. That's pretty exciting, and so I'm trying not to point you towards anyone. I want to point you towards my face. But, yeah, now I'm gonna go use the restroom. We're gonna, of course, it's still light outside, so yeah.
Yeah, right. But I know someone that might turn on the other one. Yay! Woo! Most of the time I like.
Yeah, that's the one I like.
I like those. Yeah, the Hey, girl.
Yay, more of those! Woo! Screecher! Oh, yeah. It fell over.
Fireworks.
Oh god. Seizure warning. Uh-oh. Seizure warning. And it is... Hey Nick, can you watch out? Like, scoot over, I can't see.
Are you covering your ears? They don't make any sound.
Oh.
These are just the ones that just flicker.
They give you a strobe light.
What?
It's like a strobe light.
I don't know what that is, but I'll just agree.
It's a bright light. Thank you. Here.
Who wants a balloon? I do. Here. Does that one light up? Yep.
Let's go. Look what I got for my dad.
It's the changing color balloon.
Oh yeah, totally stylish.
Father, son. Landed on me.
Here you go.
4th of July.
Michael, here. Okay.
Did you help Jared? I didn't do that one. Good job.
Michael, can you watch out?
Dun dun dun!
Woo! Stop, Michael.
When did you get them?
Other people got them with me. Would you like the rope garden up
I'm watching the fireworks.
I built that.
Oh, thank you. All right, is that it for that bag?
So what is it? Woo! Happy 4th of July! What's another one's coming?
Magic bean?
Whoa! Woo! Oh, dropped it. Orange. Orange. No, there's no orange.
Big one.
Oh, I thought it was my face.
Woo!
Orange.
Woo!
Chop, chop, chop.
Fireworks. It's probably the wherever they do the big ones around here.
Orange. Orange. My man.
Green.
My man.
Oh, green and purple.